I'm going to do a walkthrough with this Sony digital8 camcorder. It's got issues. For one, when you look through the viewfinder, all you see is that white bar. Recording, I don't think this is going to be a good camera for creating video. For playing video, I have a brand new tape that I put in. Let's not rewound all the way. Let's see. When you switch it to camera, this is what you see. We're looking up there. So that's that basket there. It almost wants to record. I don't know how this stuff works. Focus, exposure program. I don't know if you can get better than that for recording. It's trying to. So let's record something and try to play it back. So you see the tape moving, it is recording. It is a new tape. I don't have a tape that's pre-recorded that I can put in to see if it will play a pre-recorded tape. So we'll stop recording, switch to VTR, rewind. Having trouble rewinding. Hit the play button. Alright, it's not rewinding any further. Now it's playing. So that's what I recorded. Although, I think the recording is messed up. I don't have the sound hooked up. I only have the video hooked up. When you record this close to the TV, you get feedback, so I don't usually hook up sound, but the sound does work. So I think for playback, this camera will work. I'll offer you money back for the camera, but not the shipping. This battery comes with it, and it plugs right into the charger. If you charge this battery, it seems to hold a charge. It probably will not hold a charge long. I haven't charged it for more than a couple minutes, but if we power that off, remove this battery, press that button, battery comes off, and then take this battery out, put it in. One second. Alright, I paused to put the battery on. Now, if I hit play, yeah, that battery, you can see it flashing. It may or may not hold a charge. It's good to have. Well, there's GTR. I didn't have it on. Hit the play button. Does anything happen? Nothing's happened. With that light flashing like that, this battery is probably at the end of its life. It's included. So if you decide you want to buy a battery, you can go by this one, the model number. And these are usually cheaper. You can get a battery for about 12 to 16 bucks. So you're going to get the camera, a remote, which I didn't try. It probably needs a battery. You get the power adapter, a battery, you get a charger, you get the audio video cable, a cord, and a case. Pretty much everything you need to create and play video off a video 8mm tape. You won't get the tape. This is the only one I have. So I hope you can get this camera to work. I don't know how to. Oh, I gotta put some power onto it to remove the tape. So I'm going to take this tape out. I'm selling as is.